Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do operations on the elements of a list. So let's say you've got one of your lists set up in stat, so stat edit. I've got the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I want to do something to these numbers and store that in a separate list. Right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to exit out of this, and let's say I want to take 3 times the elements of that list. So I'm going to do 3, and then I'm going to go second L1, and then I want to add 5 to that result, and then I want to store the result. So then I'm going to use my store key. It's a really handy key. Love this key. I'm going to store this in second 2 to get L2, and then hit enter. Notice it tells me what the values are, but if I go to stat edit again, now notice that those values are actually stored in L2.